good, YouTube, man? EDM Cook in the minute. Got my EDM brothers, we here, man. Alright, today we got a good video for y'all. The mukbang video. We got good eat. We're gonna get something to eat, man. So look, y'all make sure to tell us, what do y'all want us to do? Just tell us. We're gonna get more content for y'all. We're gonna make sure to keep being active.
Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Go. Run the 2K, run the 2K, man.
Yo, I need a bev though. What you want, some water? Hell no, I don't want no damn water. A view of everybody's food?
It's already started. So like,
it started already, Bump?
Yeah.
Damn. Shit. Got the yams, mac and cheese, fried chicken.
Hey, I'm gonna show y'all. Go ahead and show y'all early. This is a good steak. It's called Q Steakhouse.
Yeah. Y'all know what's going on real fast before I big back. You heard me? So let's go. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see what I got, man. Got the Buffalo Wild Wings, man. Make sure y'all get you some of this. You know what I'm saying? Get you some of this.
Hold the hell up. When I get my damn food, yo. Hold up.
That food was not his. This is mine, yo. You know, I had to grab it.
Don't push me up.
The garlic parm. A little mild joint. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, this that him though. This that Hemington. This that Indian. That buttered chicken. If you ain't hip, get hip. ASAP.
Good home cook, man. Good home cook, man. Yeah. Buddy back there doesn't have no food. He's homeless.
Why are you in the back?
You feel me? Use this as your plate. Can't go wrong.
Yo,
Bro, these right here is
Yo.
It's boxing vid.
this boxing video?
A boxing vid? That's
Yeah.
boxing vid.
So if y'all don't know, we're doing a boxing video here soon. I feel like niggas is going.
Who do y'all feel like is losing? Yo.
Don't start with questions, bro.
Hold on.
Hey,
Don't.
if you see my snap, you know I throw haze.
I throw Hayes.
After the first round, they're tired.
I ain't gonna lie, Pil.
What?
If I fight you,
Brother, you're done.
it's
You're not reaching my face.
You think so?
Instantly.
It's not too meaningful. You think so?
Yeah, I know so.
You really think so?
Believe that.
We're in a different weight class.
You think so?
That's a lot of talking. That's what Ryan did.
Oh.
He came out with you. But he came out with cheeky.
How you doing that, brother? You talking spicy. We're talking to you. Talking to me? Talking to you. Can we set that up? Can that be the first match?
I mean, you might be in my intro to like boxing career.
So,
Like
so
you know how
you gonna set this up now? Boxing is the next
Like
one?
you just see me.
Where we doing
see a
this?
skinny guy that can't fight.
Right.
Oh,
He
inside
never
the
does
ring?
it with my cover. But I'm not just with my cover. You know what I'm saying? You
It's
probably
about
got
to
that.
get dangerous. But I ain't gonna lie. Don't let me catch that face.
There was a question I do remember.
Okay.
Alright. The question was, how did y'all, each and every member feel about joining EDM?
I was EDM before EDM.
Right.
I already got a dream that man.
I was one of the top, like kind of recruits.
I was one of the top recruits, you know.
We was talking about this on the rat tour.
I was Mr. Irrelevant.
I got 20 videos of it too, bro. I was alright like that. Yeah.
Share them?
We ain't here.
Nah, why you moving here taking dollars by?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Like us.
Shout out to Q Steakhouse.
Yeah.
That shit ain't it.
Q Steakhouse?
Oh, somebody's screaming at me.
I hate
Whoa.
that
Nah,
nigga.
but you got, I know I got warm this up.
They're giving y'all food and I didn't get any.
Bro, it's just up.
You like
That
that?
nigga,
I got
damn.
What happened to that salad, yo?
That nigga put fries on the damn burger. That's how you know that nigga hungry.
You don't put fire on the burger? You don't put fire on the burger?
Alright, wait. What's the next question, yo?
Who's the worst athlete in the EDM group?
They gotta be Lee. Why you like that?
Who? Malik.
They gotta be Lee.
Yeah, I don't think he plays sports for real.
But still, bro.
Why is he looking at me?
No, I'm talking about Jeezy.
What about me, yo?
What are we basing this off of, though? Like, every sport like that we gonna do?
Just or just who's athletic.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too many niggas that's athletic.
Like Bert. Come on,
Not gonna lie to you.
Two is too many niggas.
I'm
Yeah,
not
that's a good
athletic.
question. That's a good question. Cause
I'm not athletic. Alright, so what's your answer to that question?
my answer, I agree. I would say Leak, only because I don't think he's actually played sports.
Yo, Leak, I know you're watching. That's bad. I'm sorry, bro. You were up there.
Athleticism.
I'm gonna give it 1,000. Keep it 100 deals. It's either out of league or.
Hey, I thought you was for sure coming to me.
Nah, you can hoop, bro.
We're not just talking about who.
I'm
we're
saying
talking
though,
about-
bro.
we're just talking about
Athletic, bro. Athletic, bro. You can hoop.
Hold on. We're not gonna disrespect Leak like that. In the intro, he jumped over the rail.
He did.
I'm
Boy,
not basic.
that-
Nigga, that's basic, nigga. That is true. That is true. But
That is type athletic.
That's
That's
easy,
type
though.
being
that
athletic, bro.
was type easy. That was type chill though.
But is he doing that
Is he?
easy?
Where did you play basketball?
Now if it's middle school, we give him middle school. But Biggie ball
Play for
now.
South Charleston. You played for South Charleston, right?
I went to South Charleston, but I played for Christian University. Hey, two championships, baby.
Shout out P.
Two championships. Christian University, yes sir.
Where do we see our YouTube group in the next 6 months? From right now.
The way we putting out every week, and if y'all keep engaging how y'all been engaging, I think we are double what we at right now in 6 months.
I ain't gonna lie. We going to the top, nigga. If you not with us, you against us.
Fact.
I mean, I like the energy. You can't say the answer.
I definitely say I piggyback off with Monster. I say we double where we at for real.
You stay consistent. Upload every week. I see us on the road to like 20K. 20K.
Mine say 10K.
I was about to say that too,
10K,
but I wanted to
10K.
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 I get it.
10K.
Nah, all those Jeezy, look out. For real. I see us at like 20K, like pushing for 20K or 30K, for real. Just cause how we got everybody behind us and shit with us right now. But yeah, that's where I see us in 6 months. I see us collabing with some big YouTubers and shit, big groups that we work and collaborate and stuff. So yeah.
I'll say 15K.
Nah, I mean, I see us, we on a good path right now. You see what I'm saying? Like, I think in 6 months, I really feel like we can hit, if we keep using like the creativeness, I really feel like we can probably hit 20, 25.
Above and beyond.
Above and beyond.
You feel me?
You can't think inside the box though, you feel me? Like, y'all saying like, I'm not saying it's a low goal, but like, if we think outside the box, why can't we dream bigger? You know what I'm saying? Especially just like Q said with the collabs that's coming on the way. Like, we're in a good position right now. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Just keep going forward. Keep crushing.
All it takes is one video.
One.
That's all it is.
All we need is one video, yo. Right. What's the next question? I was about to ask, like he asked in that group chat.
What are we asking that group chat?
Oh.
Yeah, good. Yeah,
Oh.
please. I gotta hear the answer to this.
No.
I have to hear it.
That's wild.
Yes, please ask it, please. I need some answers in
Answers
the
are
comments.
yes.
I need answers in the comments, please.
My answer is
Okay.
What?
'Cause I'm just going to tell y'all now, I'm not fucking going.
Me neither.
Oh my god, bro.
If y'all,
Hey, wow.
Bro,
if y'all girls,
take me out this clip.
never mind, I'm not asking.
No, hold on, ask it good. I said what you said in the group.
Whoa, you said some sussy.
No.
If y'all's girl asked y'all if she could have sex with another female, don't gotta be a stud or nothing, like just another female, would you let her?
And you're not included.
And you're not included. Or
She
nothing.
doesn't
She-
want-
Whatsoever. Comment down below if you're saying yes or no.
And your reasoning behind it.
And your reasoning behind it too. Now let them know what you said.
I said no. I said no. But listen, here's what I got to thinking. If anybody said yes out of us, right? That's just sus because that's just like one of y'all niggas wants to go try to, you know what I'm saying, with another nigga. Whoa.
Yeah.
And she
Woo.
asked to join. Now, once again, I said no. Because whoever asked that question had something happen or was very curious and had a topic with somebody about this. So,
Nah, I've seen a video.
You
Somebody
said
asked that.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
what?
I've seen a video where somebody asked that.
That was wild.
That was wild.
That was
That's
wild.
what. Your comment was what?
Your comment definitely was, your answer was wild.
I ain't gonna lie. You could have kept that one in your head.
No way.
Y'all dragging it, y'all dragging it. Y'all dragging it.
You dragged it, yo. You dragged it, but
Y'all dragging it. Next topic.
You come from a different car.
You done already?
Next topic, yo. Next topic.
That nigga said the next topic. Man, what do the summer store, bro?
Huh?
Like, what do we got in store for the summer? Like, somebody said we should do like a dive off at the pool.
I don't do that. I ain't never dove in the pool.
You gonna learn today?
That's serious. I know how to swim. I just ain't never dove.
I mean, I know how to dive, but I'm not a good diver for real.
Nah, he be doing a little pencil.
That's it.
Y'all be fired. What's that? EDM play shark at the pool?
Whoever lose, gotta shake their eyebrows.
Nah, what's up with y'all in this whole shaking eyebrow thing?
Eyebrow, yo.
Bro, if that was the case, we would have did that the day before this. It's over.
You wasn't there.
Who wasn't there?
At the vid, last vid.
Yeah, cause I was at work.
You want to tell them why you went there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, why were you there?
I was at work.
What happened afterwards?
Wait,
What do you mean? What happened afterwards?
What happened after work?
What are you talking about?
what was your shift?
I work at Nino's.
What happened during work?
Oh, my shift?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no name.
Yeah, so we turning up for real in the summertime. And nobody gonna be able to hold with us.
If we will be getting a full vid with everybody in it soon, people just, you know, they do it.
Run. You need to sit down.
He can't set up.
You can't.
I'm ready for that Madden game.
You know what's crazy? The nigga who's not eating other shit is outrageous.
What do you mean by that?
Just over there trolling people, questions.
Yeah, I'm trolling, bro. Cause you don't like to feed people. I said, can I get a bite? You said no.
Whoa.
EDM brother, you need some food, bro?
I'm good, bro. Thank you, though. You know what I'm saying?
This shit over here spicy.
I shared.
He shared.
This shit spicy.
Did you
This shit
share?
a little spicy.
How many wings you had?
You want one?
That's too late.
Oh, okay. Well, shucks.
Oh.
What was the point? There was no point.
You're not gonna do that. You're not
You
gonna
just over there cracking jokes.
I'm cracking jokes, but I'm not cracking jokes about you, though. I'm not gonna crack jokes about
You
you.
was cracking jokes about my man and then just walking around getting one.
So are you?
What session? What session?
No,
What
that's
session?
What session?
These niggas is stupid.
I was looking at Jeezy. Jeezy's not slick.
No, bro, you're a
When he posts that, watch his face, bro.
Now, y'all lucky that y'all can't see his face, because look at him right now.
Hey, yo.
Man, he-
Next question, yo. Or next topic. Still laughing, yo.
Nah.
What happened, yo?
What y'all got
He's
going
known
on?
for.
What time they play at 8, right? What time we got?
What, on there?
Yeah.
33 minutes.
Damn.
Ready to wrap this up?
Shit. Nigga, are you? Well, you got
You been rushing us.
You over there
Damn
rushing
running.
that shit.
Yeah, he has been rushing though.
Your last one,
I was thinking, I was like, damn, I'm gonna say for the dump for the intro. He said,
nigga trying to rush us and wasn't at the last one.
I said,
What you mean? Looking at.
Money calling.
What?
No, that shit. They should take their money ass home. Money call.
can't spend time with my brothers, girl, now.
But you can't rush us
You
now.
can't. Yeah, about to say,
Can't rush us
us
now.
I can't rush y'all. This type cute just dropped it.
Huh?
Can't rush him either. You know what I'm saying?
What happened?
This is video.
It's our video.
Yeah, I mean, this is.
Yeah, tighten up, bro. Don't trip on.
You got work tonight or something?
He tripping.
Oh, you good, niggas. What time is it? Only 8.
Hey.
What you got?
Yeah,
What you
yeah.
got bedtime? Come on, bro. You too old for that shit.
That nigga got work curfew.
Looking around, he don't know the number.
Nah, he busy.
Look at my Look.
He's like, nah,
Hey, this is the last thing I'm gonna say though, cause
There's no angles.
did we agree with boxing being
Next vid? Oh,
next
yeah.
vid?
I mean, I don't. Is
I
that
might
the
look
next
little,
vid?
but I
'Cause
promise I'm in the weight room this week. I'm in the weight room. I'm knocking somebody out.
how, like, what is the winning terms?
The winning terms?
Yeah, like, how do you
I mean, you
know?
good, but the loser, you gotta take a body shot from somebody.
Body shot.
But I'm saying, how do you know if you lost? How do you
It's gonna be 30
determine?
seconds, and then we all judge, basically, bro. Like
Of what? That's what I'm asking.
boxing, nigga, I'm ready to knock you out, like we said.
oh.
Pill game done fucking dirty.
Like I told Ronnie, I don't think it matters before this happens.
Where we going?
King.
What outside?
King Center?
He said outside is crazy.
What?
They
Outside?
just stand no chance.
Are you nervous?
Nah,
Hold on, no.
Funny thing is, I ain't put on no gloves and I don't know how long, bro. So I really don't know how my hand speed is. But my technique and my punching power, stay tuned.
This is the
I'm
Outro to
the
mukbang,
One week
feel
of
me?
training.
YouTube, man.
like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment,
I feel like
Not tomorrow, right now.
Well, I'm gonna send him after you.
Right now. I'm coming to your house.
Bonus.
Back up. Nigga.
Bonus clip.
Back up. Nigga.
Bonus dick.
That's going in the vid.
Yeah, yo. Yo, tighten up. Yeah,
Rico, I got it. Rico, chill, I got it.
tighten up.